Hey there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Fairy Stamper. We're going to use some Fairy Hug stamps, some Distress Oxides, and we're going to get inky. First, we're going to use Delightful, which is FHS 133, Party Lights, which is FHS 264, and Lila and Robin, FHS 110. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got an 8 by 3 inch panel here. Yes, we are making a slimline card. Grabbing a stencil. This is the first cloud stencil that I could find. And of course it's dirty. So we're going to clean it off real quick and get going. So here we are with picked raspberry. I do have a set of brushes that are put aside specifically for the oxides. That way the pigment in the oxides doesn't mess up my dye inks and vice versa. So now we're going with spiced marmalade. And I will clean my stencil between each one. Now we have squeezed lemonade. Picked raspberry. Nope, cracked pistachio. Sorry. Went the wrong way. Broken china, and then wilted violet. Now my wilted violet did come in a little bit too much in the blue, but that's okay. I can handle that. And then I decided to go back with my picked raspberry and do the reverse rainbow. And I did grab the wrong brush for that. So I grabbed my purple brush, stuck it in that pink, and then realized it. So now I have a brush that needs to be cleaned. Went back with the spiced marmalade, back into the squeezed lemonade, and now we're going to finish up with that cracked pistachio. Clean up my little work area a little bit. And now I'm going to bring in my Misty so that we can get some stamping done. So here we go. We're going to put my little panel in, and I am using the party lights. I am using one of the strings. There are 2 strands of lights. I am only using one of them on this project. And I just, when I sat down to make my project today, first of all, I couldn't find my stamps. Everything's color-coded. Each company has its own box, and I just could have sworn that I put my fairy hugs in a purple box. No, they were in a box with a pink lid, so it took me a while to find them. So then I had to figure out exactly what I was going to do. So anyways, I used Morning Mist to stamp that first strand of lights. And now I am stamping Lila and Robin, which are my 2 pretty dancing fairies. And I am, if you haven't figured it out already, I have decided to use the party light strand as a tightrope. As these girls, when I saw them, I thought they looked like they were dancing across a tightrope. And so I just thought this was the prettiest. My girls, when they were growing up, were baton twirlers. One of them did play Tinkerbell in one of their routines one year. And so she had wings. And this just reminds me, this whole set, both of them, remind me of some of the poses that she had to do in that routine. So I just thought it was perfect to as an homage to Jodie. So here we go. I did stamp the girls using VersaFine Claire and Nocturne. I am stamping my second strand of lights in that Morning Mist again. And then I will bring the sentiment, have a fairy delightful day. I will bring that in and stamp that with Nocturne as well. And then I will be putting my card together. I do bring in my Barely Art glue to do my card panels. and then decided it needed just something else. So I am bringing my Wink of Stella in and coloring in those party lights to give them a little shimmer. And then I will bring in my clear Wink of Stella glitter pen to brush up those fairy wings. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you're not already. Everything will be linked below. Have a great day.